Well, sometimes you want to take a picture of your Brompton, you know, standing up, but you do not have a kickstand. Check it out. You know, quick tips are quick, simple, but for some people it's very useful. So check it out. So you want to take this shot, but you don't have a kickstand. So what do? You just place your tire right touching a post, and because it's made of rubber, it stays still. Check it out. Even if I move it, and it's amazingly steady. If you try to put it down, it doesn't. It stays in place, and that's so good. Like this photo, see? I can put here and this little piece of sign, and the Brompton stays still. Is that cool? Quick tips are like this. Little tips that help you somehow. If you want to take a picture of your Brompton standing still, you know, and you don't have a kickstand, that's a great solution. Or if you do have a post or something to put your Brompton on. I hope you did like it. If you did like it, thumbs up. And if you're not part of it, please be part of it. And now, if you really want to support the channel, there is the super thanks. That cool? I like it. So neat. Hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.